Hold on. He's going to be leaving right now. He's in a Chevy. It's like a really small car. Dark, like black. Okay, hold on.
Did he have a weapon, though? He had a gun?
Yeah, he came in. It looked like he had like a bag full of rifles or something. We are going westbound.
Here is a portion of the radio traffic from the police helicopter.
Air 23, the unit is firing at us. The suspect is firing at us at 28th and Cactus, firing at the helicopter.
With this camera angle, you can see the sergeant's unmarked gray-colored pickup truck driving south on 28th Drive and stopping in the middle of the roadway. This is when the sergeant fired his weapon at the suspect, striking him. After being shot, the suspect got into his car and drove away from the strip mall south on 28th Drive. The suspect then made a left turn into a business parking lot. This is body-worn camera footage from one of the responding officers on scene.
So go hands-free behind me. Go hands-free. Go in the car. Go in the car. Go hands-free, please.
Do not move.
The fire department's here, okay, man? What's your birthday again? 11/6/85.
Do you want me to ride with him?
No, we got enough.